Hello and welcome to another edition of Mac Knows. In today's episode, we're going to continue what we've been doing down underneath our home here, and we're going to reinstall a water line. Now, a lot of these older mobile homes have some of the old plumbing in there, and it's very hard to find the original plumbing to replace this stuff with, so I had to go with PEX. And had a couple problems early on, but I'm going to go ahead and show you kind of where we're at and what we plan on doing to fix this problem. So let's get underneath the home and see what we can do. Okay, so we're underneath the house, and I had a problem here with this pipe, and you can see how I've had to come in with PEX. I'll run this over here. This is how the old water line looks with the mobile home piping. And my problem is I kind of made a rookie mistake. I didn't have the right tools for these 3/4 inch gators, or what they call them, or shark bites, I should say. And I had the wrong kind of tool. I went and got the right tool, kind of dinged that up, and I thought, well, maybe it'll hold. I put a hose clamp on there. That really didn't do any good. So what I'm going to do today is get this tightened some more, and I'm going to cut this, take this clamp off, cut that, pull this PEX off of here, and put another shark bite in there and tighten it down, and hopefully that will take care of the problem. It's been a long road on this thing here, and I'm hoping I can get it right. So I'll be back, and we'll continue working on this. See if we can get this fixed. Well, folks, it's about the best I can do under here with this tight quarters. But I went ahead and I tightened this up. We don't have any more water leaks now. I got the water shut off. Just made sure I didn't have any more water coming off of this. And then I shut off the water line. As you can see, this is the old black piping, plastic piping from the mobile home, and this is the PEX. I've got to cut this, because when I used a different tool, I was using the wrong tool for the job, and basically that really messed things up. So now I've got to cut that, pull this off, put a new gator, or not a new gator, I'm sorry, they're called shark bites. This is, see if I can give you an idea. These are the shark bites. See if I can get you one to show you. This is what they look like. I know my lighting's probably pretty bad. I'll see if I can get the light on here. Well, anyway, that's what they look like. You can see that little hump in there. And there's a special tool that's used to cinch that up. So, but before we do that, I've got some bolt cutters. I'm going to see if I can't bust that piece of metal without damaging the PEX line. So let's see what we can do here. Oh boy, talk about a pain in the butt. I'm not sure how I get that off. Wow. Well, oh, you know what? It's loose enough now. Maybe. Golly, that'd be great. Okay, well, it's coming undone. Let's just hope that I didn't damage any of that PEX. So, let's see if I can't get that off of there now. Huh. Yeah, that's gonna be a pain in the butt. Okay. Oh. Bad thing is I've got a small metal thing over here. It doesn't give me enough body weight. Oh, praise the Lord. That just came right off. Woo. Got my bucket here to catch this. Let's see if I can't get this thing off. You know what? I'm just gonna leave it on. It's not doing any harm. Okay. Yeah, I got the light on now. Hopefully that'll help a little bit. This is the tool that you need. You can get it at any major hardware store. This is a PEX clamp pincer tool, and this piece, this thing, basically will fit right in here. Like so. And then when you squeeze, it'll pinch this together and cinch up the line. So we're going to give this another shot here and really hope that it'll do its job. We'll see. Oh boy, that would be wonderful though. You have no idea how much of a problem this has been for me. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that back on there like so. And you want to get it in about 1/8 of an inch or so. Alright. Oh my goodness. That went a lot easier. I just hope and pray that this works. So. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and pause this and be back in a minute and we'll see what we get. Alright, well I went ahead and I used that PEX clamp tool and kind of coordinated with the missus. I've got a couple walkie-talkies and we were able to control the water flow, turn it on, and you can see now the new clamp is there. There isn't any water leakage that I can see. Again, it's just a matter of using this tool here and basically putting it right up there and squeezing down and cinching it up. So looks pretty good. We don't have any water leaks. I'm going to monitor it as I continue working underneath the house. Not sure what all you can see over here, but finally have the heat duct all framed in here. You can kind of get an idea. It's framed all the way down. I've got that Armax I was telling you about. There's probably, I say I got about 12 more feet or so to go coming this way. Went ahead and I've insulated some of the piping. Got some insulating on the piping here, some PEX. Even though probably don't need it, but I just want to be doubly sure. And really, there's just a few more places to do here. But I should have this thing done. I've cleaned up a whole lot of insulation down here. I mean, there was, I don't know, probably 8 or 9 trash bags full of insulation on the ground. It's still not great, but I can tell the air quality just smells a little bit better from what it was with all that damp insulation getting it out of here. So anyway, that's all I have to share today on this. We'll maybe have some future episodes with some more projects underneath here, but please click like, subscribe if you got any questions, concerns, or comments. Again, I don't claim to be an expert. There's probably better ways of doing this. I could have went ahead and got one of the copper rings and done it that way, but what I like about this one here is you can use multiple clamps as far as shark bites, 3/4, 1/2 inch, and that really does help in the long run, because I will be installing a new shower over here in this bathroom, and I'll be converting it over into PEX. So anyway, guys, till we see you next time, take care.